What's up guys, back in the company logos redesigning series, and today we have this trefoil Adidas logo. So as usual, we are going to redesign this inside Adobe Illustrator in just a few minutes. So without wasting time, let's dive in. First of all, inside Adobe Illustrator, I want to start by drawing the circle. So in the tools bar, I'm going to select here the ellipse tool, and I want to draw here a perfect circle by holding shift and alt, drag it to make a perfect circle. I want to make a copy in front of this one, so I'm going to hit Ctrl C and Ctrl F to make a copy in front. As you can see now here in the layers, we have made a copy of the same ellipse tool on top of the first one. After having it like this one, I want to drag the top layer to this side over here, just like this one. I'm going to select everything here in the artboard just like this one, and now I want to delete this section here and this one as well, and leave only this central part in order to make this leaf-like shape to be used in the Adidas logo. So now I'm going to the shape builder tool on this side over here, and I want to just delete this one. First of all, I'm going to hit alt and delete this one, just click to delete, and this one as well, click to delete just like this one. After having it like this one, I want to make copies of this same leaf like shape as how it is in the Adidas logo. So I first hit Ctrl C and F to make a copy. As you can see now here in the layers, we have made a copy of the same path, and now I want to rotate this one over here. So I'm going to rotate it by holding shift like this one, put it somewhere there, and I want it to be in this side over here. And now after having it like this one, I want to make a reflection of this one here, of this leaf-like shape here in the side. So I'm going to the objects here and transform, and now I want to reflect it, and instead of just clicking OK, I'll make a copy of it. So I just click here to make a copy, and now I want to move this one to this side over here. I want now to draw the rectangle shape. So again, here in the tools bar, I'm going to select the rectangle tool, and I want to draw it over here. So I just start somewhere here and draw a rectangle just like this one. I'm going now to make copies of the same rectangle here by hitting Ctrl C and F. So Ctrl C and F, Ctrl C and F to make two copies of the same rectangle, and I want now to move them just like this one, and the second one as well. I just move it somewhere here. I first select everything and I want to group them first, so I hit Ctrl G to group them. As you can see now, we've made one group, and I want to expand them. So I just click here, expand. After having everything selected like this one, I want to use the shape builder tool to remove some unwanted shapes here at the middle in order to make some white spaces over here. So I'm going to select here the shape builder tool, and I want to delete this one too, and here I delete everything. As you can see, we are almost there, and now after having it like this one, let us try to just write here down Adidas. I'm going to use this font over here and just put everything here at the center. So as you can see now, we are done making this Adidas logo inside Adobe Illustrator in just a few minutes. I hope you have enjoyed this one, and if it's like that, give me thumbs up, and if you are new in this channel, hit that subscribe button for more content like this one. I hope to see you next Thursday. Keep creating, keep making stuffs, keep pushing your limits, and most of all, have fun with it. See you next Thursday.